Hello! Actually, today I wanted to talk about GDE stuff, but that turned out to be boring. Because I have something much more interesting to tell you. On my way home from the urban dance class, where we dance hall, some kind of catchy rhythm came to my mind. I only remember that the chain of my bike was making a sound, and I was thinking, Meine Kette quietscht. That's what that's German. I'm thinking German if I'm not talking English a lot. So yeah, I thought my chain is making a sound. And then I don't know why, but I came to the rhythm of a song that I heard sometime. I don't even, maybe on House Time FM. I don't even know. But it goes something like Im Radio ist ein Küken. So, and I took that rhythm. Und meine Kette quietscht, meine Kette quietscht, meine Kette quietscht, meine Kette quietscht. And when I came home in the shower, I still had that song in my head and I couldn't get rid of it. I was singing, oh, das Küken piept, oh, das Küken piept. And then I tried to play it on the guitar. And for the first time ever, I managed to find out the chords, probably not the right ones, but chords that I can actually, sing to and make the song happen, kind of. It might not sound good, but for me, as a non-musician, it's okay. I have fun doing it. I really should be doing something else, but that's not the point. I still invested 1 hour in making this happen. I didn't even tune my guitar. It's probably not tuned. Yeah, whatever. So, do you want me to show you? I guess you want me to show you. And I'm not cutting this vlog, so bear with me if I make mistakes. And I'll probably make mistakes, as I always make mistakes. Because as I said, I'm not a guitarist. I don't actually play the guitar. I just play the guitar. Yeah, so we said the rhythm goes something like this. Da, 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 da. And then I used my phone, G-Strings, the app, the guitar tuner app, and I was like, duh, 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 and finding out the chords. Yes, I did cheat, okay. It was not me actually finding out the chords, but I did not use the internet. So. Those are the chords. Oh yeah. E, B, G, F minor, E again, I think. Yeah, should be it. Do you also want me to sing the song? Why not? Im Radio ist ein Küken, im Radio ist ein Küken und das Küken piept, das kleine 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 Küken piept. And then, it starts with that, and then there's another animal, and then there's another animal, and another, and it's getting long and long and long and longer. So it might sound something like, im Radio ist eine Kuh, im Radio ist eine Kuh und die Kuh macht Mu und der Hund Wow Wow und die Katze Miau und der Gockel Kikeriki und die Henne Gock, I don't know. Und das Küken piept und das Küken piept und das Küken piept. If you want to, we can actually listen to it. I already opened it in YouTube. But come on, play. It's another tune. kleine Küken piept, das kleine Küken piept. I'm not saying the song is any good. I'm just saying that it's catchy. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. It's always the same, and 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 it is always the same, it is always the same, it's always the same. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Bum da da da. I'm gonna take this to bed now, because I'm sure that I won't get it out of my head. Except if I listen to other music, good music probably. If you are interested, Balkino Poi. Das kleine Küken piept is the title of the song. I can link it in the description if you ask me, because I don't actually watch my vlogs before uploading them. I just see, oh, I said make your backup in the end, must be a vlog, upload it to YouTube. Not actually watching it. So it's really hard for me to find a video title, like a few weeks after I recorded it. Yeah, okay. Und das Küken piept, und das Küken piept, und das Küken piept, und das Küken piept. You should go and make your backup. You should go and make your backup. Back up all your files, 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 back up all your files. And I see you tomorrow. And I see you tomorrow. I'll 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 see you tomorrow. And I will stop singing. And I will stop to sing. I will stop singing now. After I finish with the vlog. After I finish the vlog. After I finish. See, I can't even stop. I can't even stop. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Bum ba da bye. Bum ba da bye. Bum ba da bye.